This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a stack that matches your target audience and timeline. Choose React Native or Flutter for cross-platform speed, or Native Swift/Kotlin for deep platform integration. Once chosen, create a Git repo and CI, then scaffold a minimal app with one gallery screen showing placeholders so you can iterate visually. Make sure to design a simple data model now: album, photo, tags, date, ID, and decide whether storage will be local first or cloud-backed for sync. Now implement the core. Build a performant grid with lazy loading and image caching so views stay smooth. Aim for 0. 5.2's perceived loads. Next, wire photo import and camera access, extracting metadata and saving lightweight thumbnails to reduce memory. Once photos flow in, add album CRUD operations, drag and drop reorder, and a simple search by tag or date so users find memories quickly. Make sure to wrap heavy work in background tasks to keep the UI responsive. To finish, implement optional sync and export features plus incremental cloud backups for safety, and polish UI details like accessibility and a clear permissions flow. Run automated unit and UI tests to catch regressions, then perform device testing on varied screen sizes. If something breaks, log errors centrally, reproduce the issue with a small test dataset, and use schema versioning so you can roll back faulty migrations. This prevents data loss and helps you fix bugs without hampering users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.